Okay, some people said they were not. Some people say you guys were no more hearing me on Telegram because I tried to switch. So I hope you can hear me now. Can you hear me on Telegram now? Yeah, you should be able to hear me on Telegram. You can also be able to see me on Telegram. Those of you not on our Telegram, you can be able to see it, and they can also be able to share the link across to your friends so that they can be able to see what is happening. So one of the reasons why gold price fell is because of one one of the reasons why the gold price fell. Let me put the price on the gold so that you can see what I'm sharing with you. One of the reasons why the gold price fell is this: one, profits taken after a big rally. Gold has surged to record high in recent weeks, making it vulnerable to pull back as investors locked it gun. That's one of the reasons why the gold price fell. And that reason is that, but that's the major reason. That's the major reason. So, and again, the US dollar is getting a bit strong, but it's not really that strong. So, the major reason is the first one: a stronger USD makes gold price in the US. So, no, so it's not really that because of the it's not the major one. Now, another one is overstretched valuation. So, that's another one. After a steep rally, analysts said the price looked stretched and due to correlation. So when you check the gold price here, you see that the price have never dropped. That is since okay, this is on daily chart. That is since March this year. The, since July this year, the price has never dropped. So it broke all the support and all the resistance. So, but I told you guys that chances that gold may get to 5,000 in coming months. There are very very chances of that. So we this is around April this year. You see, around April this year. Here is around April this year. So you see how the price has gone up from this point down to this area. So it become some investors say that gold is a bit overstretched. So just perceive that some of the big companies could have what we call quick sellout. So these are the major reason why the gold price have a sharp drop. However, it is still creating opportunity for buyers to shoot up. You know what I mean? It's still creating a big opportunity for buyers to shoot up. So what I'm saying in essence is this: our buying strength, our buying sentiment, or buying analysis on oil on gold still remain valid. So what we're gonna do, we'll look for another potential entry when this sharp drop is over. Thank God it's on daily chart, so we can be able to spot out another potential entry and see what we're gonna do. Maybe when we have a potential support zone, then we can be able to hit back on gold. Is that all right? I want to be sure if that is all right. I want to be sure if that is all right for you guys. someone just trying to join me now. His name is Patrick. Hi, Mr. Patrick.
Yeah, Mr. Ocho, good evening. I can hear you.
Yeah, I can hear you very clear. So, where are you connected from? Yeah, I can hear you, but I can hear you again. Probably you are muted. Okay. Oh, okay.
Okay,
I
yeah,
lowered the
I can hear
volume.
you.
Yeah, I lowered the volume. So, where are you connected from?
From Port Harcourt.
Oh, okay. I see. Yeah, from Port Harcourt, Nigeria. Yeah. Well,
Can you
I
hear
wouldn't
me?
want to ask. Yeah, I can hear you very clear. Well, I wouldn't want to ask you to on your video, but I quite understood. Sometimes our side we may not have steady power or the location, but at least if you can hear me fine, and I can be open to take your questions as well. So for those of you that are also our student, the link is on Telegram group. You can be able to join me live. Then we can like if we can I can hear from you. It's easy to join me on the app. Check the Telegram where I shared it. You can easily join me just as Patrick just joined. Yeah. So Patrick, how is your trading strategy like? Can you hear me, Mr. Patrick? I think it's having a technical problem, maybe. So now, going further, we have the same analysis here on. Okay, I think some people keep trying to join me. Yeah, another person also wanted to also want to join me. I can allow about 10 guests. I can allow 10 guests to join me. Okay, so let me know about you guys. So I was waiting for more people to join me, but this is very much easy to join. To be honest, I don't know why it's difficult for you. Some people. So going forward, let's move to oil market. So the oil market has been very much down since last week until it started moving up to this week, and we have started recovering speedily on oil. As you can see, the price here. Now there are some fundamentals we also need to look out for on oil. We need to look out for some fundamentals. Someone has joined me again, but the person is not really talking. That could be maybe Patrick. So if you talk, I'll be able to hear you. But let me go further and let you guys know about the oil. This is the so we we are kind of expecting a bullish trend on oil. We know the reason why the market came down last week. It came down because of the One, the Israeli and the Gaza ceasefire deal, and also the call between Donald Trump and the Russian president also affected the market, and also the sanction that was imposed on China affected the market. So sellers made a lot of profit as of last week, but why buyers lose money. Now we saw it this week that you're gonna have a serious rebound. As you can see, so the market has rebounded as we expected it. And so today we have gotten about 200 pips on oil. And if you see the screen I'm sharing with you, we have gotten about 200 pips on oil, because it has moved from $56 per barrel to 58 only today. It moved from 56 at this price here. It moved from 56 here to 58, and that's the estimation of. Let me get it clearly here. Move from 56 to 50. That's the estimation of 200 pips. There will be to be expected to get to 60, which is about 400 pips or 300 pips on oil. So what we're looking at for oil now, oil price is obviously down. So we are looking at for potential opportunity that could push it up. So tomorrow we have coming up for the EIA. We are having supply report on oil tomorrow. We will be able to trade that, because basically looking at what is happening now, there's no strong political news that may influence the price much. So we are focusing on stability of information, of stability of fundamentals to trade oil. So tomorrow is Wednesday. By 3:30 p.m. we have what we call inventory report by 3:30 p.m. and they're expecting about 2 million supply by the EIA, while the previous week was 3.5 million. But let's see, because the price is relatively low. If a product has high volatility and a high demand rate, if the price is low and there are more supply at that low price, it can also push the market up. So we have to compare what's going to be the current outcome of inventory tomorrow, and they see what's going to be the market reaction to it. But on a neutral note, the biggest rule of trading, or the biggest rule of every business, is currently playing out in the oil market. And what's that rule? Buy a product at a low price, sell it at a higher price. It's as simple as that. So we try to know the market is very much low and the market is very much high. So trying to know the prices that can be very much low and prices that can be very much high. So that is the one of the biggest rule of trading. Buy a product at a low price, sell the product at a high price. So relatively, oil is very low. It has come down below 66, around 66, which were the former price it were around April this year. And the only hope on oil now is oil to go up. If you can remember last time, there was a lot of warning concerning the oil market crashing below to $50 per barrel. It could cause some of the things. So I think the world economic leaders and so many so many traders may also consider buying oil at a very much lower price, as the case may be. So I'm kind of waiting for your questions, to be honest. And on those guys joining me on Telegram, check our bio. If you are our paid student, you can be able to join me on the live on the stream, so you can join the stream studio. We changed today. We didn't use Zoom. I'm so sorry. We did not use Zoom. But if this particular app is becoming difficult for you guys to join, we may have no option than to connect back to Zoom. But I think because we can actually stream from the Zoom to other platform, but just that the picture quality may not be as clear as you guys see me from here. So try as much as possible. I would like to take your questions, to be honest, and I will also try to know if you're following me. So if you cannot be able to hear me, you can just quickly check the page which I share with you guys, and join on the YouTube and type your questions. I'll be able to answer you. The YouTube channel is there, because this meeting is live on our YouTube channel. You know what I mean? So going back to what I'm telling you, so the oil market, we expecting a bullish trend. We're expecting a bullish trend, at least to this price. But it can actually sell if you want to continuously selling. But there are some other logic you may need to consider if you want to sell oil at a lower price. So you maybe get caught up if you keep selling at a lower price. And that's one side effect of buying a product at a low price. You may get caught up. So That's the thing. Yeah. So I think tomorrow we're gonna hit the oil market live. I'll be live with you around 3 p.m. That's the New York time. We're gonna trade it live and see. But we also have a lot of positions that's already working on, or we are that's already happening on oil. Do you understand? So let me know if you could I can take um more questions. I need to make sure I have I take a question before I sell more product. 'Cause I have some product I need to say to you that you would like to buy. I have some fantasy product I need to say to you that you would like to buy. Let me know if there's a question. Please try as much as possible to join me. I'll be so happy to join with someone. I'll be happy to join with someone, but there's no problem. We are not going back on this because I think it's a way forward. We keep improving on it. By tomorrow, you may be able to also enjoy it more. You know what I mean? By tomorrow, you will enjoy it more by tomorrow as well. So we want to sell some product that you will like before we round up the weekly analysis. And if you have any instrument you're holding and want us to analyze for you, you are very much free to analyze it. The first product I will say is my personal product. So this is my personal website. It's not a company website. Take note. So those of you that want to reach out to me directly, these are the things you can be able to reach out to me. If you want to join my hedge fund trading, you can be able to apply through my website, www.ucheparagon.com. Then and they're able to access a lot of services. My services is designed for accredited and high network clients only. Those of you that I know that can be able to afford some trading, not people that are struggling. Maybe you just go and raise $50 and you want to come and join hedge fund. No, those money is good for you to use it to practice for yourself and grow. So you can be able to join. We have a minimum. What I mean by hedge fund is that you can trade under us. You can use us directly for trading. Either we trade for you or you copy our trade automatically. Then we also work with brokers. We do brokerage business. I can tell you, I've promoted a lot of brokers, so I am very good at that. And I've also been able to be part of building a lot of brokerage. Some of the time we are teaching. If you want to scale your business, your trading career, I think I'm one of the best guys that can give you the best model you can use. And if you're a broker, and you want to attract big clients, big deposit, then I can also be able to assist you in doing that. So, but this is our management ties. It's you could be able to join me directly. Understand this is personalized me directly on fund management or account trading, whatever you may call it, because the money will be in your own account. You're not sending me the money; you're gonna be in your own account. You can copy those trades automatically with at least $500 minimum. Yeah, we also have VIP of $5,000. They will have exclusive VIP of $25,000, and they will have premium VIP of $100,000. That you can be able to join me personally, because in the business model we try as much as possible to diversify it and be able to guide get ahead. Then you can also have a funded account. They can be able to we can be able to help you raise a capital. Those of you we are teaching how to trade that doesn't have enough money. This is not new. All of you know. If you follow me here, you see that we've been sharing our funding for more than 2 years now. Yeah, we started funding program for a long time. It's more than 2 years we started this. We have funded with different pro firm. Then we are still continuously added it, so you can be able to have a capital of $1,000, $5,000 to $10,000. This is not like pro firm. The condition is a bit free. You can be able to trade your strategy and be able to grow with a target of 20% profit share. Then you can be able to convert the money to yours, or we take it out after a particular time. So the benefit of this one is that, let me know if I can get the benefit clearly here. Yeah, Yeah, the benefit. So I don't have time to read all of them out for you. Benefit of this one is that you can have free mentorship with it, which also teach you. You can there's no challenge because it's not a pro forma account. No challenge, no evaluation. There's no drawdown limit. No, it's not a pro forma account, so you can trade as much as you want. But of course, you can. This account you have limited time to trade on them because you have a target to meet. It's easier to meet that target anyway. Then you can use your own strategy. I've said that before. You can also take your profit up to 100% profit. Nobody gonna take your profit for you. Then of course you can scale up from there. So this is a bit different. A lot of our traders are using Profem. They know the difference between funded this program and the Profem. Profem you have to trade according to their rules and regulation. Yeah. So another product I want to say to you is GFT Ava, one of the okay, GFT Ava, yeah. So this is a platform as well that you can trade. Okay, I'm not sharing this. Let me share it clearly so that you can be able to see what I'm sharing with you. Mm, you can be able to see what I'm sharing with you. Let me share this one. So GFT Ava have similar product as well. They say trade our own capital first. Deposit yours when you have succeeded. So for some of you that are not even sure of your strategy, you can use another company capital to test your strategy to see how effective it is going to be. Then when you have succeeded, then you can now decide to continue. It's similar to the same product I just told you, but this is more clear about the company and how they want to how they run it. Now, no gold hedging. Gold hedging is not available on a startup capital. You know that GFT Ava is the platform that allow you to hedge your asset class with gold, that also prevent you from losing your entire capital. Yeah, so those of you using GFT, I know that you can be able to trade yeah, automatically with them, and they can hedge your account with physical gold. So currently, you can have the web trader account with them, which is minimum of $50, if your account is up to $5,000, you can be able to hedge with the gold to avoid liquidating the capital. Then you can have the MT5 account under AvaTrade. If you hit this link, it will take you directly to AvaTrade, as you can see. If you hit it, it's related to AvaTrade. So because AvaTrade clients are using GFT Ava for strictly for execution, your money will be deposited on the MT5 of AvaTrade, and they can be able to trade it automatically. That's something they say advanced trading, assets hybrid and automated trading strategies with professional executions, autom- execution technology, and multi account management platform to duplicate trade across multiple accounts. Then there's also gold by security. You can hedge up to 50% of your asset classes with gold. This is the only platform that I've seen that if you hedge, you may not be able to liquidate your account as easy as possible. Now, for those of you that want to join, you can be able to join automatic. This basically designed for professional clients who are not like busy professional that are working that does not have much of the time to be on internet and do some things. So it's basically designed for that. I think somebody want to join me. Yeah. Yeah. So you can be able to um to join this program. Which other thing I want to share with you? Yeah. So let me know if there's a question I'll be able to answer you. Hi, somebody just we are not hearing you. Do you okay? Someone just connect, but please, I will appreciate if you can. Okay, let me lower your volume a bit. Yeah. Someone just joined me. I don't know who the person is. If maybe the person may not be in a light up area, I can be able to. Oh, okay. I've lost him or her. I think a lot of you are trying to join me. I don't know. Maybe next time we'll be able to do it much better. Oh, oh, okay. There's something I missed out when I was sharing this thing. Let me share it again. There's something I missed out when I was sharing this thing. So let me share this one again. Let me share this one. Okay, that should be this one. Yeah. So what I was explaining to you about the GFT was this the gold back trading where you can be able to hedge. Let's say you have a five account, maybe even if it's on Avatar, there's possibility of hedging, so you can make profit on the both side. Yeah, this platform is designed for it, and it is also designed for you. It's one of the best platform. Avatrade has a lot of regulations, more than 15 licenses, and everything is properly done. I'm not trying to promote them because they didn't pay me. Let me disclaim it now. If they fully pay me, I can be able to stand my ground to promote them properly. Yeah, yeah. So let me know if there's a question, guys, so I can be able to answer your question. So today we have an impressive number. Let me check other of my platform to see if I have more impressive number there as well. So I'll be able to answer your question now, guys. Yeah. So any question so far? Someone just joined me now. Hi, can you hear me? The person that just joined me, can you hear me? You cannot. Okay, so guys, I think we have to end it now and go home and do other stuff. So yeah, we have to end it. Someone join me. Can I hear you, please? The person that joined me, the person is still here. So we have to end it here and go home. I'm gonna make it available again. This meeting is recorded on different channel, so you could watch it over and over again. You know what I mean? But tell your friends, share our page with them. Let them be coming here tomorrow. I'm gonna see be live with you. Let them be coming here and we'll be dropping a lot of analysis, a lot of market, and we can also help you to solve your own problem in case you're trading, you don't have any, you're struggling with strategies and everything can help you. That's the essence of we coming live. We started last week. Please make sure you also communicate our page to some of your friends and be able to connect with us. It's really important.